Alright, this is a test for my new helmet. Sadine, turn that off now. What?
Yes, turn it off! Hey, you do it, I did it over myself. It's over, I did it over myself.
Alright. Hassan? Let's do this. This is Sena. Subhanallah, sakhara lana hadha wa ma kunna lahu mukrinin wa inna ila rabbina. Oh man, you could not get a better weather than this. Beautiful weather. So right now I'm recording through like a little microphone, like a Sony small stereo microphone, and my visor is up and it's connected directly through to GoPro. I'm also recording through Sena's microphone all the way directly into my phone, so we'll see which one's quality is better. Now I can hear the wind. I'm gonna close the visor. There we go. No more wind. Oh man, this is so beautiful. You could not ask for a better weather than this. Windsor, baby. I'm gonna give you a little spin of Windsor, small town during lockdown 2020. I'm only going 130 kilometers. Let me see how fast this guy can go. 145. I'm gonna have to convert that into miles. Let's see, 150, 155, 157, 162, baby. Woo! Alright, I think that's it. The bike starts shaking at 160 kilometers. Well, that's not what it's meant for. It's meant for some scenic routes. You can go for a long ride. And this is nice and comfortable. There's a little bit of wind sound even while the visor is up. I don't know if I can catch that on my mic. I'll have to look into that. Let me see if I got some vents. There's a vent on top and then there's a chin vent as well. So let me see how that's gonna do if I open or close them. Nope, no difference there. I don't know what those vents do. Not just for the sound, for anything. I'm gonna talk while the visor is open, see how that is. I do hear a little wind whistle, so I'm pretty sure whatever I'm hearing is what gets picked up by the mic as well. But this is just a testing, so we'll see how it turns out. Family video, yes, that's it. That's exactly what we need. All right. So Right now, this is just a test to check out my Sena's audio, which I can record on my phone. But I wanted to test the audio of GoPro through an attached microphone. But this is a Sena's helmet. Sena's helmet with built-in Sena's technology. The whole system is already built in. You don't have to set it up. So you basically get a helmet and the Sena's system, Bluetooth system, so you can either do walkie-talkie with somebody else who also has a Sena, or you can also you know, make phone calls, listen to music, and so on. We're only like 2 to 3 minutes away from Riverside. What time is it? 6:47. You know what? What the heck? Let's take you guys on a ride to Riverside. Honda Pilot. Not a big fan of those at all. At all. I have a friend who has like a Honda pickup truck. Thinks he's all crazy now. I mean, unless it's an American pickup truck, and no pickup truck. I mean, Japanese pickup truck? Come on. Alright. There is our Riverside. Right across of us is Detroit. This guy's still thinking what he wants to do. And he is. Look on the left. Beautiful skyline of Detroit, if there's such thing. Even Detroiters didn't know. They're like, what? We got a skyline? And then like New York or Toronto, but it's something. I'm just gonna take Ouellette. This is basically our main road. That's where the party life is at, but ain't no party, even though it's Saturday. That car right there, the white one, Cadillac CT5. Beautiful car. Wanted to get that. Got something more practical. A pickup truck. Not a Honda pickup truck. An American pickup truck. Can't take slow drivers. How did I get it out of here? Let's see if I can get it in. Oh. Without touching the truck. Oh, the saddlebag. Whew. That's it. All right, let's check out the audio. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.